what a waste of my day. If I had it my way, I'd roll out of bed, say about 2:30 midday. Hit the blunt and hit you up to come over to my place. You show up right away. We make love and then we fuck and then you give me my space. Hey, what are you trying to say?
Hey guys, it's Kate, of course. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you a wig sent from Nadula Hair. Just in case you guys are interested, be sure to check the description box down below. So here is what the wig will come in. And I'm not sure what they sent me, but we are about to see. So when you open the box, here is the wig. It does come with some adhesive wig tape. This is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig, and it's 24 inches, and it's also Brazilian. It says it's Brazilian hair. I have false lashes, not false lashes, false nails. I also have 2 little wig bands, and I have 3 wig caps on to the wig. Alright, so this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the packaging. Oh my gosh. So this is one of those curtain bangs. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. It does give you that set middle part. It is a 4x13, not a 4x13, a 13x4. So you will be able to part this, you know, wherever the lace is. If you want a deep side part, you can do so. If you wanted to pull this up, you can also do that. It doesn't come with any combs in the front. It has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also has a removable elastic band. And here you can see it does come with the tape already on, because you know sometimes the ear tabs flip up. When you want to wear glueless, it still flips up. So they put the little ear tabs right there, so you will be able to wear glueless, but you can still tack down the sides. And right here, this is supposed to be the little curtain bang, and it already comes pre-curled. That's where the name pre-everything comes in, because the lace is already cut off as well. So you don't have to worry about cutting any lace off. The wig already comes curled. I'm gonna try to switch these wigs up because I do have 3 that's alike. So but if you are looking for a curtain bang wig, you guys will have options for where you want to shop. So I'm just giving you options, ladies. It fits really good. If you have a smaller size head, I think that you can get away with this wig. And it's no extra space in the back. You know how it will fit, but it still will be like a lot of extra room in the cap. This doesn't do that. So let me get my mirror over here so I can start styling it. But this is what the wig looks like so far, straight out of the packaging. I didn't do anything to it. This is just how it looks. I don't even really know how it looks because I'm looking at my viewfinder, but yeah. And here we have the ear tabs right here. The lace goes all the way down. And then on this side, yeah, this is a really, really good fit. I love the way this wig fits. I'm going to go in with the bronzer I used on my face, because although the lace is not showing, I don't really know how I'm going to style this wig. So if the lace do decide to show, it will blend. So I'm going to go in and lightly put that on there. I don't need too much. Like, I'm being very light when it comes to this. I don't know, I just love her. I'm so like into the bang part. Like, it's so freaking cute. Like, it's tea, right? I'ma just add the parting on this. With me having a black stocking cap is amazing. Look, y'all, I didn't add any concealer or powder to the part. It just looks like that. Really nice. Alright, I'm back. I didn't do much, as you can see. I only parted it on the side. I did curl this part a little bit, but that's it. I didn't curl anything else. And I also utilized the wig tape that's right here, just because I had it behind my ears, so I wanted it to stay in place. On the other side, I did not use the wig tape. So yeah. And this is really cute. The quality is nice. All of these wigs, like, they came really nice. This wig is really nice too. I have no complaints. The fit is A1. I actually like the lace better on this one than the last one like this. So yeah, add that to your notes just in case you're looking for this type of wig. Keep that in mind. But yeah, y'all see that? That looks absolutely freaking gorgeous. This is 24 inches, so this is where it comes on me. Yeah, I absolutely love how full this wig is and just how it looks. It's given very much classy. Y'all see that? I can't get over how much this lace blends in. I don't know if y'all saying that, but look. I love it. I would highly recommend, for sure. We're gonna see how the other wig like this turn out, but so far I think I like this one better. But this one is really cute. Like, the lace and how it's plucked wins for me, for sure. I love it, y'all. This is like my style. Going into like spring and summer, I'm probably gonna have my hair like this. Like, if I wear a wig, it's gonna look like this, because this is my favorite so far. Like, my favorite style. Just, I think it's the bang and how it just covers up the forehead, and just, especially if your lace is jank. Not saying that the lace is like janky on here, but like, a bang always helps that if you don't have a nice hairline, for sure. Although this hairline eats down, but you know. And yes, this wig is glueless, y'all. Glueless. Do y'all see that? Glueless. Alright, so here are my end results. I just did a little half up, half down with a little curtain bang, and I think that is so adorable, y'all. Like I said, this is like my favorite way to just look and have my hair. So I can appreciate these wigs coming my way, because y'all, I absolutely love it. I don't know what it is. The hairline on this one is really nice. Really, really nice. So when they say pre everything, this is it right here. I really, really love the hairline, the way it's bleached. Like, I can't, the way it's plucked, I can't stress to you enough. I'm telling y'all. But yeah, all the links will be listed down below. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.